Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I wish to introduce to you today a multi-select drop-down list, cascaded multi-select drop-down list in ASP.NET Core using also PartialViews. As I'm used to, I wish to begin by the end of the project, so that if it suits the output suits your need, you can go further for more details. The project, as I am used to, is given in the description link beneath, so you can download it. Here I use a simple project with Northwind database. It will be also with the link. I can choose the category. As you see here, it contains multi-select. You can use beverage or condiments, whatever. A condiment. See here, it filters. It has filter. Can select more than one select, more than one gives a count, one give the text. I can deselect to get beverage only. So it satisfies, I think it is the best bootstrap for multi-select shown till now. Product name to filter from the beverage. Here I choose what product I need. Then search to get it in a data table, the string of what I chosen here, product list, and this is the data table. If that satisfies you, your needs, we can go to details. I use Northwind database with a view that joins two tables together, categories and products. Can scaffold from Northwind. New template from Visual Studio using ASP.NET Core, and then scaffold either these two tables or the whole database given in the link. It has my view. It has all and another function to change from array to split string. Here it is. It splits the string one found on the net. This is only to concatenate the strings and as I choose from category and change them to string. So here is the view. The view joining categories products will I use. These are the two main new things on the Northwind database, but all we need is two tables, this view and the function of split string. Okay. As for the layout, it is the same as that of a template. I only added to it some CSS of multi-select. In addition to jQuery and bootstrap.min, I use bootstrap of multi-select and bootstrap select.min. Okay, .css and JavaScript beneath their corresponding JavaScript, which is bootstrap multiselect.js and bootstrap select.min. I also use datatables.min.js. Okay, bootstrap for data tables, and also I think bootstrap CSS for data table. However, this is the layout. Take care, the order of CSS is very important. If it is misordered, it will not work. This is layout. Startup is getting from the index, get from home controller to the index. This is my main view. Contains view vSearch category that contains drop-down lists, one array of integer and the other array of selected list, as we shall see. And here the styles for online. The most important is that for multi-select is UI autocomplete. Some styles for the multi-select. Then here my skills on change. This is the first drop down list where I will post get what I selected and post it in bold IDs and post to home search check 1 to get the output of partial view of product list, which is ID my skills 22. I will append to it, to this div. My skill 22 is a div, but select 1 is the tag for ID for select for the drop down list. We will go to details. This is my main form. Main form contains some hidden fields to use. Here also is a multi-select of category. ID my skills, title choose category is for model.cat IDs. If I go to definition for cat IDs, it is array of integer, and product ID array of integer. Drop cat is array of selected list. Drop product is array of selected list. Because I use SP for cat IDs and SP items model.dropcat. The disabled code here I used to make it not with array, but I found this better solution. Data size, size of data to show. Choose title here. You can change these configurations or go to Bootstrap for it will give you more options. Data count select. This is the label found 4 are chosen, 5 are chosen, because I found this is a better way not to write the whole text we choose as previous versions. Only the count is enough when there is more than one choice. And the tick here, I made it right mark. You can change it. This class, these are details for the Bootstrap. You can investigate by yourself on the net. I only show how to use this in project and to filter from one to another as cascaded. The other product multi-select is my skills 22. I will, in this div, I will put it partial view rep int. Rep int contains the select here, the same line as the other line, but with ID select 1, and here data size I let it be 10, for example. First it will be empty, then after we fill it, it will be filled with the data. Okay, let us go to details with F5. As it loads, I think it will take some time. We said before that from first drop down list it loads at once for the first time. As in the first drop down list, we will take the value of what I selected here in data. Here will come BDO IDs, my skill dot value. My skills dot value, this contains array of data here. First I remove li if something is selected from the second product, and selected items I get their count dot length. Okay, count 1, and then go to AJAX from first drop down list with some parameters, which is my skills first drop down list dot value, which contains the array of values I select. Okay, however, go back to get of beginning of a solution of a project. Need refill lists. to initialize the categories IDs and the products to let them read from categories and products. I am careful not to press F10 because this will end the project. However, dropcat contains the selected list item here of categories. Put it in the data, which is the view, and pass it to the index. Sorry for some here, some could not, I think this is not used. Go to the index, okay, F5. As it loads the index here, when posting by submit to display the data table, to show the data table, it will go action search rep 1 controller home, and this is submit. I use data AJAX, and data AJAX of the container rep. This is the ID where I will post the data table in container rep. Here it will be partial view, as we will see, will be posted here. Choose category, we'll choose beverage for example. See, it went to search check 1. Here SQL 1, it will read from products, where category ID relation 1 to many, 1 for categories, many for products. For category ID in select, in this one I use here, it will be J. I'm careful not to press F10. However, let us go to the home controller here, and we select the product. Let's use the function split string 1, then product string from row SQL 1 to get the filter of the products, and variable mode 1, where here is a product string. Select a new type ID and type name. This is for view of type output. It will be found also in the view. We can see here, go to definition, type output here, this type ID, type name. Only it is a general one to be used for any ID and description. I post in it product ID and product name. When in the view back group, I didn't think use group back, but I use drop product. Here I fill the drop product. JSON, then partial view, JSON, when partial view, JSON not needed, or else if you want the output from JSON, it will get the in data, the output in the partial view rep in concerning the products. Okay, so here products is filled. I can choose from it whatever values I need, and then search to submit. This is the container rep I told you before. If about that we have ended our multi-select, but how to get from array and post in select and using SQL to post in data table, this is another issue. If one wants to continue, then okay. Download the project, okay, it will benefit. However, here I will post with the select, get filter to criteria. This is the model. As you see, it contains product IDs before I choose, and the categories beverage only one. Here to build the string of filter, join string mode cat IDs. This is to join the array, and product IDs. Here it is. Join F5. I think we'll go to join. No. Go to fill list and build the condition. Okay, we can go to join a string here. Go to definition, only to join comma and with the string. Then I build the condition if cat not equal to null. SQL1 contains the return string of a join and category ID in select from split string more than one or one. SQL1 for cat1 and SQL1 for product ID. So this I am building the condition string and category ID in whatever and product ID in whatever. As for string 11 or SQL2 search string, this comes with the category name. SQL2 will come from category name. The category string is the result of selection from category. Here I join category string dot select r dot category name, because I filter it with cat1, which is the one chosen from cat IDs, the values from cat IDs. So this function will get SQL1 as the criteria and will get string 11 as the names concatenated together of what I have chosen. Okay. Then viewback return string is string 11, which we said before, result of the string I went to before. This is the get filter, the one which is get filter. Then comes check day list. This is the view cat products from row SQL. The SQL here is same as the cat product. Then to list and check day list. This SQL1 here is filtered, remember, because I added get filter of mode 1 of a model, mode 1, which I get from the view post. I get filter gets the condition string, so SQL1 is filtered, used from row SQL, from SQL row for view get products. Result is in a list. Here in the data new instance of a view, and here variable prescription to return the list of check day list, the fields I need. If you see, all are from M, which is check day, so product is here is meaningless. The join here only from M in check day list will satisfy my demo. The output here, flag equal to, this is hidden field to show if I choose clear to the form or submit the form. 2 if I want clear, and 1 if I want to submit. I think here it will submit. Go to rep details. Rep details contains enumerable of vSearch categories, my view of the fields I show. Okay, this is the datatable for to display the list. Where is this view put? It will be put where in the index. Output from the submit here with ID container rep, as I told before. which is data AJAX update hash container rep. The output of data table will be in the container rep. Okay, F5. Here comes the output, data table and the string 11 here, and the data table. I wish this demo is of benefit to you. But before I leave, I wish to also to say something I didn't point to. We said that there are two buttons, one to clear and the other to submit. I give one ID action 1 and action 2, and here put flag 1 and flag 2 to differentiate between them when I post. But for the submit, as we say, the output is from the form. Here I say add container rep at the end of the form overview. Thanks and wish this demo was of benefit to you. Maybe it contains more code, but it is okay, it is simple. I use a template of Visual Studio. You can download from the link. I am sure it will be of benefit to you. I found it the best bootstrap for multi-select. I'm really glad of it and wish to see you. So I wanted to share with you that bootstrap. Thanks and meet you in another demo. Thanks a lot and good luck. Enjoy your day and meet you soon.